Number one, the best channel idea for making money on YouTube is... So, people are starting YouTube channels and becoming millionaires more and more often. And I wanted to look into what is the best channel idea you can build your channel around to make the most money possible. YouTube is changing people's lives. I started this channel when I was traveling, a bit lost in life, and now I'm living fully off the earnings that I generate through this channel. And I believe everyone should be using it. So I'm going to look at 7 channel ideas that you may be thinking of starting, and I've ranked them in order from worst to best in terms of what is most likely to make you money so that you can start in the right direction. So channel idea number 7 at the bottom of the list is a travel YouTube channel, where you go out to different countries and you shoot yourself on location, basically showing off the beach you're on or the rainforest you're hiking through. Now, if you were starting this type of channel about 10 years ago when there was very little competition, it may have been higher on the list of recommendations. But these days, everyone is traveling with a phone and a camera, taking pictures of exotic places, that it's just so hard to separate yourself and stand out from the crowd. The only way you really be making money is through the ad revenue that YouTube pays you for the amount of views that you get on your channel, because there's not many other ways of monetizing this type of YouTube channel. Best case scenario, if you get really big, you may get some free accommodation or some free food, but you're not really going to be able to earn much money. And also, you're going to have to be forking out a ton of money to pay for all this traveling, to pay for the plane tickets, coach rides. It's really unlikely that the money you're earning from your channel is going to cover the costs going out of your bank account to cover all of your traveling. So bottom of the list, travel YouTube channel, avoid that like the plague. Okay, so number 6 on the list, the second to worst channel to start in terms of making money that I can think of is a celebrity gossip YouTube channel. Think about your TMZs or your Perez Hilton types of channels where you spend all day reporting on the latest celebrity gossip. Now, the reason that this channel idea is also so low on the list is because there's very few ways that you can monetize it other than the ad revenue that YouTube will pay you for views. You may be able to get quite a few views because you're using celebrity names. YouTube is a search engine, so people might be searching for those celebrity names and find your videos, but that's pretty much your only income opportunity. And if you're relying purely on the money that YouTube pays you by ads, you need on average around 500,000 views per week to earn enough to replace a 9-to-5 job. And unless you're the small minority that breaks through and becomes a huge success, like the TMZ and the Perez Hilton types of channel, it's very unlikely that you're going to hit those 500,000 views and earn a respectable amount of money through YouTube with this channel idea. So that's the main reason why I wouldn't recommend starting a celebrity gossip channel if you're looking to make money on YouTube. And the other reason is, it's just a bit hollow, isn't it really? Sitting around looking at other people's lives, who's dating who said what about who, you're not really adding much value to the world. I think there's better things you can be doing with your time. So celebrity gossip ranks low on the list. Okay, so moving on from channels I wouldn't really recommend starting, let's move on to channels that I would recommend starting for making money on YouTube. And at number 5 is a health and fitness channel. Now, these channels potentially get a ton of views. What are you doing? You're basically showing people how to exercise, how to be healthy. And people that usually do this are usually in super good shape. They usually have a lot of skin on show with their tight, revealing exercise outfits. So you can get a lot of views on YouTube using this method, which means you're going to get a lot of money from the advertising revenue that YouTube pays you. But in addition to that, there's tons of other ways that you can monetize a health and fitness channel. You can promote fitness products, so weights, exercise equipment, clothing. You can either promote those products and earn a commission, or those brands might pay you outright to make a dedicated video on their products. Another way you can make money with this type of YouTube channel is you can release your own products. So you could do a diet or workout plan, either in the shape of like a PDF or an ebook, and sell that to your following. You could go one step further and make a fully dedicated training course. You may have seen a lot of YouTube channels about yoga that give like 10-minute yoga workouts, but then you've got to go ahead and pay for their full course to unlock the complete yoga training plan. And you could do the same thing with your health or fitness channel. So now we're on number 5 on the list. We're really starting to see some opportunity to making money with YouTube. The only downside to this is if you're going to be a health and fitness YouTuber, you've got to be in like super good shape. If you look at the people at the top of this game, they are sculpted to perfection. So if you can maintain that body all year round, go ahead and do it. But I'm guessing a lot of people probably can't keep up that same level of fitness regime, so it might not be a good enough opportunity for you. And hey, I put on a bit of timber recently. If you want to see my weight yo-yoing throughout the year, make sure to subscribe to this channel where you can see my weight going up and down every week. Okay, so the fourth channel idea on the list is the tech products review and unboxing type of channel. So here we're thinking about your Marcus Brownlee, your Unbox Therapy types of YouTube channel, people that review the latest technology and basically say if it's any good or not and show you what it looks like when you open it out of the box. These channels get tons of views because they're keyword heavy. You can use the name of the product, so like Apple iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, and their trending topics. So when a new product comes out, you can sort of capture that hype and get tons of views on that latest trend. There's tons of ways you can monetize it. You'll be getting lots of views, so you'll be earning lots of money from advertising. You'll be able to promote expensive products like cameras, phones, and earn a really high commission when those products sell through your channel. And some of these products like Canon, Apple will probably sponsor some of your videos as well, pay you outright to make a video purely talking about their product. But the downside to this type of channel is you need a lot of money up front when you're growing and you're trying to get attention and get a name for yourself. You're going to need a ton of money to buy all of this tech to have it on camera to review. So there's a barrier to entry, a little hurdle there to be able to become a big YouTuber in this niche. But when you do, it can be really worth it. Okay, so number 3 on the list, we're in the top 3 now. The third best YouTube channel idea that we're going to cover today is the makeup and beauty niche. Now, these videos, the ones teaching people how to put makeup on, get an ungodly amount of views. If you can crack the code and become a big YouTuber in this topic, you're going to be making so many views that you'll potentially be making millions of dollars every year just from your views alone. But in addition to the tons of money you'll be able to make from your views on your channel, there's also a ton of other opportunities to make money. So makeup and beauty products that you're reviewing, you'll be able to make commission if you sell those products. You'll be able to get sponsored for videos from certain beauty manufacturers that want their products in front of your viewers' eyes. Okay, we've already talked about those things, but in addition to that, you'll also be able to release your own products. Some of the top beauty YouTubers like James Charles and Tati have released their own makeup line or their own beauty supplement line, and they're making millions of dollars a year from selling their own products through their channel. And then another income opportunity with a health and beauty YouTube channel is you'll be able to offer personal coaching. So people might pay to speak to you one-to-one on Skype or web chat, where you can coach them face-to-face on how to apply things like makeup and other things like that, and you'll be able to earn a premium level of income from this one-to-one coaching. Now, I've spoken in a previous video here about how the makeup niche is one of the highest paying niches that YouTube pays out for per 1,000 views. So for every 1,000 views that you get, YouTube pays you a higher or a lower amount of money depending on what your videos are about. And makeup is really up there. So if you want to learn all about how much you can make per 1,000 views, go ahead and watch this previous video that I've made on my channel. Okay, so number 2 on the list, the second best YouTube channel idea for making money that we're going to cover today is a sales and marketing YouTube channel. Now, this is really close to my heart because this is basically what my channel is. It's the type of channel where you're giving sales advice or marketing advice through the internet. Now, you can make money here the typical ways through advertising revenue. I earn $13.50 per 1,000 views having a sales and marketing channel. So it's a really lucrative channel in terms of the amount of money YouTube pays you per view that you get. You can also make money by selling other people's products and making a commission, or you can get paid to do a dedicated video on a product. I get about 7 to 10 emails a week for this channel from companies offering to pay me to make a video on their products. So there's a lot of appetite in this industry to make sponsored videos. You can also then do the personal coaching, helping people succeed with their online business, and you can sell your own information products. I sell through this channel a PDF, an online book, and an online course, and they are really good earners. So a sales and marketing channel is free or has a really low cost to start and get up and running. And there's a ton of ways that you can make money with that channel idea. And here we are. Number 1, the best channel idea for making money on YouTube is a gaming YouTube channel. So the reason why gaming channels have taken #1 on this list is for a combination of reasons. First off, the crazy amount of views that gaming YouTube channels get. Gamers love watching other people play games on YouTube for some reason, and you get hundreds of thousands or millions of views if you do this type of channel right. The second reason is it's pretty much free to start a YouTube gaming channel. All you need is a PC, which you've probably already got, and a game which you're probably already playing. Play that game, pop it onto YouTube, job done, and you're potentially going to get those hundreds of thousands of views I spoke about a second ago. If you think I ranked these 7 types of channel in the wrong order, let me know your ordering in the comments below. Do that in a list form. And if you think I missed any important types of channel from this video, let me know those channel types in the comments below.